Hello viewers, this tutorial is the second tutorial of Microsoft Excel. If you get this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hello viewers, I have a Excel sheet region wise cell. This is the region wise cell Excel sheet. Now I want to sum all the regions cell. Here I can see region 1 Dhaka amount 44,000. Just like that, I have 7 region and every region has a unique amount. Now I want to sum all the region cell. So here look at this, the column is F11. Here I will write total and click on the column G, and here click sum, AutoSum, and press enter. Now I can see the total cell here. Now the word total I want to bold, want to color. Okay. Thank you viewers. Please like, share and subscribe.